You ready? Oh my god, this guy's already ready!
Where's your woo? You're documenting the whole thing.
Oh yeah. Here's the gang. They're kinda ready. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope I got that on camera. Oh fuck. Look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different nations all together doing great. Hey yo, resolution! Here. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, stop it. I'm done with it. Lonely. I know there's more than working. So go ahead and show me now. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. If I like it's a piece and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the Is there time to try again? What a team! What a fucking team, man! For the first time in ages, I'll take it from
I
here.
wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the
This I do every week.
without shouting and screaming.
Long scarf.
Something new to me. Alone without being lonely. Getting back to the old me.
Alright. Oh man, you're so fucking strong.
How are you so strong? What would I do without strong men? Guys, I broke a nail!
I was feeling sober until you came up now.
I broke a nail? Oh no! Yeah, I know!
Over you. I ain't over. I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you.
This guy did it on easy! That was easy! Go team!
Even though we were toxic, feels the most when you've lost it. That's just how it goes. I'm still feeling lonely. Can't get back to the old me. I'm stuck in way too deep.
That was better than me.
I'm not control sober. Thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober.
Back in stadium.
Came up now.
We're gonna try.
I don't know what to do. I ain't over you. I ain't over. I ain't over.
Let's go!
No matter what I do, I ain't over you.
Come on,